Hello everybody, so today video I would like to nominate the probably one of the best legendary cars which one all universe I would say know. It's a Volkswagen, it's a Transporter T4. It's a 1995 year made, so basically now it's 2020 and it's got 25 years, so it's like a little celebration. I had a couple of videos about that car in a Russian language. Probably that's why this time I would like to do one in English. It's almost done. It's almost on the end. There is some couple things would need to be done, but I just want to do in a quick review what we have. So don't forget to leave a like button or dislike button or leave a comment. And best thing what you have to do is just click that subscribe button, because that's gonna give us a little push to go forward and do more good things. So let's go. As you probably saw in other videos, then we had this car in pretty not so bad condition, but we did do a little refurbish. We had a couple problems. We do probably a lot of things in here. So basically we bought the alloy wheels. These wheels is pretty nice. Then we put pretty much brand new braking system. We bind the supports, we brake calipers basically. We put in new brake pads as well. We done the brake system, we changed a lot of pipes. The same we done on the back. We did change these ones for the good braking. We done a handbrake. We had a very good corrosion under the car, so anti-corrosion. So let's go ahead and can we something probably see, but I would say not, but you can see there. It's a pretty good conditioning job, so we put a lot of things on to make this car not so rusty anymore. Yeah, we do it for work, because we normally doing air conditioning job with the air conditioning systems as well. So we did not done a lot of things inside, because inside is pretty much still need to do. Look, this seat need to be definitely fixed or changed. There is some problems, some dirt. There is 9 seats. Roof is pretty, I would say, okay. There is some little things. Dash is pretty okay. Panel is okay. So in the time when we've been fixing this car, there was probably one of the main problem was not with the painting, not with the suspension, not with the anti-corrosion, not with the wheels. We had the new tires. The tires is I would say they have to be 1919 or 2020. Let me find. Here it goes. Look, it's the 10th week and 20 year. So this year made is summer wheels. Probably because we have in the Latvia winter, we have to change them in the winter time for winter wheels. Look there, we have all corrosion done. There is none of corrosion in here. Yeah, we broke the window twice, so this window is just brand new now, sits in, because we break off the previous one. And yeah, I think so, you will see now. And so yeah, all doors is opening good. Here we go, bed seats, so they have to be cleaned and washed and chemically cleaned. So probably that thing we're gonna do a little bit later on. We have to put some logos on as well. Yeah, what else? There is some backlit need to be covered on. Then what else? Yeah, we need to change these things. We put the new lights on. These lights not original ones, but they are pretty good, I would say. Yeah, there are probably a lot of things which ones have to be done. So let's go into the engine. So we install the little bit newer engine from the Volkswagen Passat. So all because the old engine was with the simple pump and it was not electronic. In this one, look there, we put the electronic control unit. It sits there. We have wiring, homemade wiring on, and we put the air mass meter on as well, and the turbo left the same without the intercooler. Look, it's turbo left from the TD engine, and yeah, all works perfect. We have the pressure sensor inside of a map, so basically map sensor is inside the ECU, so this little pipe goes right to there. RMS meter, and pretty much all. We've done the EGR, removed completely. We don't need that stuff, definitely. What else? We have still left some wiring in here. We put the ignition wire in there, look. And well, another thing, we put the electronic acceleration inside as well, because the old one was just simple the wire, I would say, just which one pulling the pump. Pretty much, I would say that's all. The engine fits pretty nice. The gearbox left original. We just put the 1.9 TDI engine in here, and it got now 66 kilowatts on it. We have to do, probably we will do, chip tuning of that ECU, or we're gonna replace that ECU with the 81 kilowatt, because the all other stuff and cylinders and all that stuff can leave like it is. Probably we can do 100 horsepower from this, definitely. I would say even more, definitely even more. We can do even 120, 150 probably, to do some more corrections on the injectors, and probably with the pump. So yeah, that's what we've done, all because the old engine was scrapped. Probably that can be fixed, as you can see in another videos. What else I can say on this moment? I think so I will say thanks for watching. If you like that video, again, put the like button, put the subscribe button, and yeah, I would say that will be good car, definitely good car. It's a legendary car, and we will see how it runs. We still need to do some little things on here, but I will do probably later on. So I will say good luck and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.